Hello beauties, welcome to my nest, Beauty Nest. Things teenagers should do in rainy season. Let's start. Cozy up with a good book and a warm cup of tea or coffee. Take relaxing walks in the rain, enjoying the fresh smell of wet earth and leaves. Practice indoor activities like yoga, meditation, or painting. Spend quality time with loved ones, playing board games or having movie marathons. Enjoy the sound of raindrops on the roof or against the windows. Take advantage of the cooler weather to go for a run or bike ride. Try out new recipes in the kitchen, like hearty soups or comforting baked goods. How about you? What's your favorite thing to do during the rainy season? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment for more videos.